Made a hojicha today. Yes, hits the spot every time. I'm using this brand called Emery, and it's actually very good. It's super creamy, and it makes it like just, I don't know, like it's very nutty and stuff. I really like it. Today I have like a bajillion things to do. I have like a bunch of clothes that I need to give away. They're just taking up storage in the house, which I already barely have storage. So I'm just gonna go to Plato's and drop them off. I also want to alter some clothes too, so hopefully I get to do that today. And then a HomeSense run. I'm gonna keep the makeup super light today. I just recently got a microneedling treatment. I'm only allowed to use this little sample that they gave me. It's hyaluronic lotion. So I'm just gonna quickly apply that. I feel like my skin's been really good though. This is just day 3 and it already looks almost the same. Recently I've been using the Living Proof shampoo and my hair has just looked so much better. Usually I experience so much frizz, but it's just gone. It's crazy. I'm just rehydrating the ends with the And Honey oil. I love the way that this one smells. It's just so refreshing. I'm also obsessed with this color. It's just, I used to be blonde before and I just toned it a darker color. And it's given me this like perfect, I don't know, like beachy, like honey color. I'm also doing a keratin treatment soon because I just cannot handle the frizz. It's just a lot to manage curly hair sometimes. This is my first time doing it. I told them that I only want like the lowest level possible because I do want to retain my curls as much as possible, but just have less frizz overall. Because here in Canada, like it looks good because my hair is used to the humidity here. However, whenever I go on vacation or anywhere else, it's just a mess. Also, like how cute is this pajama set? Kept the fit super chill today. I'm just gonna elevate with some jewelry. Thinking these because they're so cute with the red turtleneck. Or I got these too. I never wear these as much. Oh my god, what is going on outside? I think these are cuter. Also ignore the person dying in the background. Like Reedy is just unwell. I think I'm gonna do some gold jewelry today. This one is so cute. I love it. Little pinky ring. Oh, I need to put on my aura too. I've completely forgot. Maybe I'll put this one here then. And then my aura here. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna keep it super errands safe and just simple. I feel like the hair is the outfit today anyway. Oh, also my favorite bag ever. It just elevates any outfit so perfectly. I love it. Carl wants to come with us.
I can bring you, man. Whenever we go out, you get stressed out.
Oh, this is the worst part of leaving the house when you have a pet. Heartbreak.
Yo, look
Look
at this
at
piggy
this!
bank. So cute.
This is actually so cute. We could put it like at the front of the house. Where the coins are. I want like a Buddha in my house. I'm thinking maybe this chrome. Oh, it's feeling kind of cheap. Maybe not.
You like your new bag?
It has a really nice leather. I don't know.
I like it.
How cute is this? For like lemonade and stuff. And it's on clearance. Look at this. It's a Fourth Wing coloring book. So cool. It doesn't want to go in.
I was dying. I don't like it. It's bad out there.
HomeSense, and it looks so pretty. I'm just gonna leave it right here. A little candle on top. Made mac and cheese. It's falling. With shrimp. Oh, it looks so good. Can't wait. I literally turned away for 2 seconds and he just got up in the shelves. What are you doing there? What are you doing there? Also, on another note, look at this little cute post office we made the other day. It's supposed to be a book nook, but I guess Reedy just thought it was cute in the shelves. Okay. I literally got this book nook because of this little kitten right here. So cute. Hi, Clara. We are at
I don't know what
fried chicken place for my friend's birthday.
I don't know what Supreme is, but it's
Very supreme.
Right here.
Hello, we're at the Fry right now. I'm taking over Rhea's vlog. So this place has Korean fried chicken and rice cakes. And you order on an iPad because we're technologically advanced.
I really want one cheese.
We're also all not drinking because we're responsible adults.
Honestly?
You're not. I thought you
We have the
were.
picture.
Oh, savory spicy flavor.
It is now.
Okay, never mind.